In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new admin user to your Mailchimp account. Adding a new admin is a straightforward process, but getting each step right can ensure that your team member has the correct access they need without any hassle. Whether you're scaling your team, need an extra set of hands, or just want to share the workload, knowing how to add an admin securely is invaluable. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Mailchimp.com and log into your account using your credentials. This is an essential first step because it gives you access to all the necessary settings you'll need. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear presenting you with several options. From here you need to select Account and Billing. This will direct you to a new page with various account management features. Next, you'll want to manage the users on your account. Under the Settings section on the navigation menu, click on Users. This page will show you all the current users who have access to your account. Now, in the right hand corner there should be a button that says Invite a User. Clicking this will kickstart the process of adding someone new to your Mailchimp team. At this point you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to invite. It's crucial here to double check the email address you enter, ensuring there are no typos, as this will be the key way your team member will gain access to your Mailchimp account. Once you've entered their email address, you'll need to select the right role for them. Mailchimp offers several options: a viewer who can see reports and campaigns but cannot make changes, an author who can create and edit campaigns but can't send them, a manager who can create, edit and send campaigns, and finally an admin who has full access to the account, including billing information. Since we are adding a new admin, you'll select admin from this list. After you've selected the role, it's time to send the invitation. Simply click Send Invite and an email invitation will be sent to the provided address. The person will need to accept this invitation by clicking on the link in the email. If they're not already using Mailchimp, they'll be prompted to create an account before accessing your setup. And there you have it. That's how you add a new admin user to your Mailchimp account. By following these steps, you make sure everything is set up efficiently and securely so your team can work smoothly. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy mailing!